We're in today with the 8600 GTS. This is a 2007 video card with 32 shaders. It's got 256 megabytes of VRAM GDDR3, running at 675 megahertz on the core clock, 1008 megahertz on the memory clock, 128 bits bus width, DirectX 10, and today we're gonna pair it up with this i7 4th Gen with 4 cores and 8 threads. This is a very old video card, but the best thing we can do for it is just jump in a couple of games and see if that 256 megabytes of VRAM it's enough. Let's go. Yeah, I don't have a lot of chances with this video card, but I will definitely like to start with World of Tanks. I'm on the lowest resolution with the lowest quality, minimal quality, and the only thing I have under my sleeve is the render scale. Now, if I can manage to play the game without modifying the render scale, it will be fantastic. But every time I'm switching to snapping mode and I have foliage, it's super low on the FPS. Let me show you how it's performing. So from the start, 256 megabytes of VRAM utilized. It's maxed out. The VRAM is maxed out. I got 150 watts consumption. This is very interesting because this is the best thing it can do, you know, this computer not utilize a lot of wattage because it's a small video card and it shouldn't be using a lot of wattage, you know. Maximum core load 63 degrees. I will take it because I don't know the thermal paste how it's inside this video card. Don't judge me. I like this performance. So in this situation with 80% fan power, it's not that bad, you know. I will call this good performance on the thermal side with this video card. I think that if I had more VRAM, I would have had a different type of performance from this video card. But if you had different type of amount on this video card, you'd be, let's say, 500 megabytes of VRAM, it wouldn't be a GTS, it would have been a GT or something, or I don't know, a different type of video card. This is the most crucial thing here for this video card, seriously. Sniping through the foliage, I don't know why it's so bad for the video card. Look at this, 38 FPS. So the only thing I can do is put 80% render scale. Let's see. Got like 99 FPS now. 99, maybe it's, let me reset this. Maybe I'm gonna get a different type of average here with this video card. Averaging really nice. FPS is 66, that's good. I got 85 on average. I wanna keep there. I wanna see the video card running because 8600 GTS. This is 2007. This go back really well, you know, in time. This is like a time machine ticket, you know. That's it. That's it. That's it, my friend. You shot me 2 times with the APCR. You have to pay, man. You have to pay in oil. All right, let's enjoy this performance because I'm so happy that I can play World of Tanks with a video card like this. You know, it's running like this because it shows me that this old 8600 GTS is capable of delivering some FPS in other games. If I can play World of Tanks with this video card with this amount of performance with 80% render scale in 1280, I will definitely consider that there is a chance for this video card to run other games. I want to find a shooter for this video card, and I was thinking Battlefield. Does it run Battlefield? I put the smallest resolution on this MS Afterburner. Look at the performance here. How much I got in a gun? I got like 100 FPS. This is good. If I want to play this game with this video card, I can do some defenses here. Holy smoke, it's so hard to actually hit the plane with this. 30 FPS is not quite good, you know. It's utilizing maximum VRAM in this case, but yeah, definitely it's gonna be very hard to find a FPS game that is running with this video card. Look at this. This is the best it can do in Battlefield. I'm on 800 by 600 with the lowest quality. Can do more on this occasion. I think you can put maybe it's 800 by 600. There is 640, 740. Oh my god, 640 by 480. The problem is that I have no chance on playing this game with high FPS, you know. So I want to put the lowest resolution. Look at this. Got like 50 FPS with this video card in Battlefield 3. I'll take this as a big win. So I'm utilizing the VRAM at maximum. I'm utilizing the core at maximum. Temperature wise, I got like 59 degrees, 75% power on the fan in order to deliver this. The the core frequency is good, it's spot on, and the memory. It's utilized at maximum with 640 on the resolution in Battlefield, holding pretty well in this case with this video card. I got like 5.9 gig of system RAM utilized, 40% load on the CPU with 52 degrees on the I'm actually surprised it's utilizing the CPU properly in order to deliver this performance. Can't say nothing bad about it because it does the job. Let's go around the city, maybe you'll get a different type of performance. I got like 31 FPS now on this occasion. Let's reset it. In here I got like 30 FPS, maximum VRAM utilization. The CPU has got like 30% here in this occasion. When I'm in there on 640 on the resolution, it's almost playable. Team Fortress with 1080p, apparently it's working with 70 FPS. I put everything on minimal and it's holding. I'm actually surprised on the performance this video card is offering here. I will take every W I can with this video card. Look at this. It's holding pretty well with 1080p on low details. It's utilizing 240 megabytes of VRAM. Maximum core load is 64 degrees. 81% fan power in order to deliver this performance on the thermal side. But it's good! It's, oh my god, the 1080p on Team Fortress. Can't say nothing bad about it because it's a very decent performance on this occasion. It does the job. On the system side, I got like 6.7 gig of system RAM utilized in order to give me this performance and 20% load on the CPU side. I think this is the peak on the performance because I will never get 1080p with 80 FPS in another game with this. Seriously. I will have to look for this type of performance, but yeah, I don't think I will find it. I think Team Fortress is going to be the best out of everyone. Almost there with good FPS. So I got 1080p in this Call of Duty with everything on low details. Look at this, 50 FPS on average, 181 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Not bad. I'm playing Call of Duty with 1080p here on low details and it's lagging like hell. Seriously, 30-40 FPS is not okay. Let's jumping back again. So now I'm on 720p with this video card on low details. I got 91 FPS. Got 80% load on this video card score. 167 megabytes of VRAM utilized. 720p is not a bad resolution for this. I think you can adjust some anti-aliasing, maybe some shadows, some details in the game in order to get this game running with this decent quality. This is actually a good performance from the video card. Maximum load on the core of the video card. 720p apparently it's a bit low on the quality, but after understanding what resolution I have, after playing a little, you get used to it because the resolution is way too low. I mean, it's doing the job, but ideal will be to have higher resolution like in Team Fortress, you know, to actually understand something in the game. One game apparently that is starting on this video card is Assassin's Creed, but on 1024 on the resolution with this video card, you can actually see it's barely holding on 30 FPS. It's very hard on the video card. I got 194 megabytes of VRAM utilization. This is actually a good performance from the VRAM. It's holding okay, you know, it's there, you know. It feels like an old console if you put VSync on 30 FPS. okay, I'm stopping now. I think 100% core load here, it's evident that the video card is not capable, doesn't have the cojones, you know, 32 shaders or something that is packed here on this video card. It's not helping it, you know, it's not helping this video card. I mean, I want 60 FPS. If I had 60 FPS with this video card, it would have been bananas. I would have said, bellissima. I got 150 watts consumption from this computer. It's holding, you know, the game, but that's it, you know, it's holding it with 30 FPS, 61 degrees, 77% fan power. This is what you can get with this video card in this game. Hopefully I will find other games that are working much better than this. You know, 30 FPS is not ideal, but it's not that bad. If it's like this, I will definitely use VSync to lock it to 30 FPS. Apparently the VRAM doesn't go higher. System wise, I got like 35% load on the CPU with 3.5 gig of system RAM. I think with the Core 2 Duo can do the job too. So in this case, We'll call this almost a big W for the video card if it had 60 FPS. I learned from last time I played New Vegas that I have to adjust the quality and the resolution properly. So in this case, because you know, 8 series, and back in the days I was playing with 9 series and older video cards, this game, I know for a fact that I had low details. You know, so 1366, if I can remember, it's like medium details. I don't know, it was big medium to high details with low resolution. So in order to be 100% sure with this video card, 8600G GTS, you know, I put 720p with medium details, and I get a very interesting performance from this. It's working, you know. I got Fallout here with nearly 80% load on the video card's core. 60 degrees, 76% fan power in this case with this video card. Ooh, some spikes. Ooh, look at that. I got big drops here. 14 FPS, 23 on 1%. It's got some dips. The moment I look at the map, maybe I don't know. Maybe when I'm looking around super fast, it feels very weird, you know, to see this game running like that. Very trippy to hear this type of effects now. This video card can actually cook some FPS in Fallout. In all titles. Ideal will be to have games like this in order to play with this video card, because this is made for this type of games and retro games, you know, retro games. But in this situation, you can see that the video card is being utilized a little, not at maximum, and it does the job. I love the performance this video card is offering here. There's nothing to complain here about this, because there's options. Maybe you can put low resolution, increase the quality to high details, and you will get a different type of experience. But in this situation with 720p and medium details, it's not that bad, you know. It's quite okay-ish theoretically. Imagine No Man's Sky or Starfield, you know, and you say, I want to play that game. And what video card do you have? 8600 GTS. Like, you can't. But you can play Galaxy on Fire. That is almost the same. Look at this. You're in space. You're running with 130 megabytes of VRAM this game, pushing it to 20% load on the card. I think I can push more the quality here in order to get a decent experience. Let's see, I just wanted to come on normal details to see how it looks and how it's performing. So on this is normal details, low quality, and I think I can put more details. I think halfway through the quality in order to make this video card work, because it got 30-40% load only. Let's try. Now I'm on medium details with this game. I got 70% load on the video card's core. Let's go there and try to kill somebody. Oh, look at that. I got an enemy. Bang. Destroy the ship. What are you trying to do? You try to kill me. Lock him with the rocket. Anticipating the move inside. Nice explosion, look at that, look at the effects. Alright, I really appreciate this game, how it's performing with this video card. So I got like 60-70% load on the video card's core, 216 megabytes of VRAM. I think a little you can push more from medium to high details, but you have to be careful, because then you'll get less than 60 FPS. In this situation, I like the quality, it looks gorgeous, the game, and it's running really nice in this case with this video card. This is the game that needs to be on a video card like this, you know. This is 1080p. You understand? So if you go on a low resolution, you can max out the quality and you can enjoy this game. Yeah. So I think the game was designed for video cards like this, but 1080p was not the resolution back in the days with this. So I will call this maybe 1366 with maximum details. It will have been a different type of experience. In S.T.A.L.K.E.R with 720p, I got 232 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Around 60 FPS on average. I got good FPS here, but there is a lot of option for this game to be set up in such a way that I can play it with 60 FPS. Maximum details is static light, you know. Static light, it's yeah, it's like performance mode in DirectX 11 games. It's funny, but it it does work with this video card. Look at this. I got like 50-60 FPS on average. This is good. 235 megabytes of VRAM utilized. Decent performance from the video card. 99% load on the video card's core with 74 degrees. I got 100% fan power in order to try to keep this video card cool. This is the first time I'm seeing this video card utilized like this, but it does the job. Barely 10% load on the CPU. I mean 10%, 10-15% load on the CPU side. 40 degrees on the CPU, 15 watts consumption from the CPU, and 3.5 gig of system RAM utilized. Even like this, with static light, you can actually see the quality in the game. It's not bad. It looks decent. This game is actually appropriate for a video card like this, considering the age of the video card. This game with this video card, it's like hand in hand, you know, and is doing a fantastic job on delivering the performance. This is not something that I would recommend because of that 256 megabytes of VRAM. It's 2007. There's not lots of things I can say good about this, but if you're interested on going back in time, on finding your hardware that you used to have when you were younger, you know, I think this is the only reason, valid reason, that you can rebuy your old hardware, you know, to go back in time. Buy the hardware, play some old games, and it will be like a time machine for yourself. It's very important to understand that, but if you manage to find that with not lots of money, it will be very beneficial for you and your wallet, you know. I like this video card because it does send me back in time, and I think this video card can be put in an older machine, you know, with the Core 2 quad, and with that older game it will run even better. I think I will definitely try this video card in an older machine, but at this stage I just wanted to see if I can find some games online, because it's very, I should say, it validates the video card better, you know. But with older games, it's better for the video card, not for me. All I can say is that if you can find this video card cheap, and if you have a nostalgia need to go back in time, it's worth it. That's it. It's worth it. GTS, GT, maybe an 8800, maybe. You know, and keep one on the side if you are interested on going back with older games. G84. I can say nothing bad about it. I have great respect for it because it's still working from 2007. I will put more games on a video card like this because I want to show you how it's performing after so many years. And if you have any suggestion for this video card or for the system, leave a comment, smash that like button, and I will see you very soon.